center. There we go.
Hey everybody, Doug Rucker and Kathy Rucker here. She's just getting on to me saying we're not centered. Hey, we're just coming to you kind of quick just to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Just want to let you know we will be closed Thursday and Friday. Thanksgiving weekend is in fact, we close Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving at noon. But website's open 24/7. You can still place orders, but and we've got the big Black Friday sale. It's actually going on right now, by the way. But we just really wanted to come on and wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving and express our thanks to every one of you who have been our customers, even the people that call and just ask for questions and advice and may not be our customer yet, but will one day. Just anybody watching this, we want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. We just want to tell you guys how thankful we are for your support for our business. And we couldn't do this without y'all. And so it just means a lot to us that y'all put your trust and your faith and all of that into us to help you guys as you're starting your business and growing your business. And so, you know, 1 Thessalonians 5:17, I think it says, in all things give thanks. And so that's what we're doing this year as we look around us and see what we have and what we do and what we're charged with doing. We're just so thankful for everything and so thankful for, and we mean this from the bottom of our heart, thankful for each one of you. And honey, I know, some people may be going through some rough times this time of year. May be a little bit slow for them. And so sometimes in all things, it's hard to give thanks.
Yeah, it is.
So
sometimes.
what do you kind of...
One of the things Doug and I do is we quickly sometimes find ourselves going, oh my goodness, the sales are so slow. What are we going to do? We have this coming up and this coming up. And then we catch ourselves and we find ourselves saying, we've been in this place before, or we've been in some place similar to this before. And every single time God comes through, he's faithful to us. And so we remind ourselves of past faithfulness and know that we're going to have present faithfulness and future faithfulness. So I just want to encourage you guys in that. Spend a little time remembering. Spend a little time catching your breath and saying, wow, I do have this going on, and I do have this going on, and this worked out this way. I got this coming up, and he's going to be faithful one more time. So many of you will be traveling for Thanksgiving. We are going to see family. So I wish you guys safe travel and sweet times with your loved ones. And we'll be back right after Thanksgiving.
And even though we're traveling, Raimondo will be here in the store along with Lynn Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm still accessible by phone as I can, even though we're on vacation. I still want to, help you guys if you're stuck, and I can return calls, emails, that kind of thing. So don't feel like we're just leaving you out. No. We love talking to people. We love talking to people. We love helping folks. So just be patient with us. It may take a little time to get back to you. And I mean a few hours or a day or whatever. But we don't ever leave our customers out in the cold. I always return every message that I get as promptly as I can. And so we're looking forward to Florida, seeing our family, spending a week there. But Raimondo, Lynn will be here. So Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, we close at noon. So just keep that faith. Everything's going to be great. Everything will come around. And like she was saying a while ago, when we have those times and it's a customer walks in the door and all of a sudden spends a gob amount of money, or the check comes in that we weren't expecting, and we're like, why didn't we just have faith? A little bit more faith, So anyway, thank you guys. We appreciate each and every one of you. If we can help you in any way, always just shoot us a text, shoot us an email, call us, whatever we can do to help. That's what we want to do. So Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Time to go to work.
Get after it, buddy.
Appreciate you, Doug.
Thank you, Drew. Happy Thanksgiving, man.
You too, bud. Take care.
Well, that's a fail. Thanks. Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with Doug Rucker School. Oh, that's wrong. Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and Duct. The light fell off. What a day. I gotta try something else. Hold on. Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. And my light just went out. Just charged it too. Shoot. Okay, guys. So, like I said, when you're doing water-fed pole window cleaning, it's very important to know. It's also important to have the camera facing the right direction. Jeez. I'm coming to you with another 2-whip cheese. So here I've got the float valve. I've got my 1-inch piece of poly extender thingamajig. And so what I want to do is get my hand along with the float valve, and don't drop it. First Thessalonians 5:17, I think it says, in all things give thanks.